How to become the leader of the world by killing people can only be done in China, and through China it is possible. The killings don't mind the Chinese because the Chinese will make billions of dollars in revenues by using these killings, which is beyond our thoughts and imagination. The Chinese have been improving their economic status by breaking the standards of the world. Today I will try to show you some facts about the Chinese conspiracy that coronavirus. The devastating Chinese game is not going to end in a day because China did not do this in a one-day plan. After many days of planning and many days of effort, they decided to do this. As a result, Chinese plan will destroy many countries in the world economically. Watch the drama beautifully arranged. China first developed the coronavirus in its lab. Then it was admitted to a general hospital. Why? For infection. And as many as 10 can be infected. Due to this, it was admitted to a general hospital. Although some people in China died, experimentally spread the disease in China. Their agent spread this disease around the world. China wants to take over the whole world, breaking the economic political backbone of the world. And this is China's world-winning formula. Wuhan province was only a show of theirs. Because, friends, you need to know, the distance from Wuhan to Shanghai is 839 kilometers. The distance from Wuhan to Beijing is 1100 kilometers. The distance from Wuhan to Milan is 12,000 kilometers. The distance from Wuhan to America is 15,000 kilometers. The coronavirus has no effect on Beijing and Shanghai on China's beside. However, thousands of people are dying in Europe, America, Italy, Spain, Canada, UK, France, etc., thereby destroying the economic situation around the world. It was a financial war in which China has won wisely. China spreads the virus all over the world. Again, China wants to sell medical masks, 95 masks, hand gloves, sanitizer, insulin, PPE, isolation, medical equipment all over the world. And that's where China is going to earn millions of dollars. This is a new business to boost China's economy. Chinese join hands with pharmaceutical companies to raise millions of dollars in the name of the disease. This is a business spread by the Chinese. China. Its virus was released in Wuhan city, and the energy of the massacre and production stopped. As a result, the stock market collapsed across the world. In that opportunity, they are from the international market. Today, the commodities they buy at high price are falling because of the price they are buying and warehousing. At the same time, they are again selling products of their country which have increased in the international market, and the demand is increasing. But it does make sense how much business China has used the coronavirus as a tool. Spain to buy medical requisition from China with 432 million euros to prevent infection. You may be surprised to hear that Chinese people have bought 100 tons of gold at the time of this global disaster. At last, China discovered a new method of treating the deadly coronavirus. The new method offers incredible success in just 12 hours of treatment. Chinese doctors have begun treating the coronavirus in a new way. Various Chinese media have reported that blood plasma from healthy human bodies is being given to corona patient. The Chinese Ministry of Science and Technology said in a special notice, within 12 to 24 hours of giving blood plasma, positive results are obtained. In the meantime, the good news has come that the patient is recovering from his blood plasma treatment. After giving this blood plasma, serious patients have also been able to get up. Then tell us why the Chinese are making such a big conspiracy and playing such a big game with people all over the world. I think Corona created the virus, China, just to cripple the economic system of other countries in the world. Finally, FBI arrested a professor from Boston University who was in connection with Chinese University and research lab in Wuhan and was highly paid by China. Now it is very close to clear that coronavirus is a bioattack planned and conducted by China. A Chinese expert assured everybody that inhalation of a system from hot water kills coronavirus 100%. Even if the virus entered the nose, throat, or lungs, coronavirus cannot stand the hot water steam. Another reveals that the Chinese are about to close all friendship relations with Japan and India because in the next 10 days, the Japanese and Indian doctors are going to announce the coronavirus as an antidote. The Japanese experimentally applied an antibiotic drug called Favipiravir and Indian drug called Plaquenil, hydroxychloroquine, to 100 coronary patients in their countries. After 7 days, 100 of those patients returned to their homes. Due to the positive results, many countries around the world are going to work on this antibiotic. And in that case, they are trying to break all ties with the Japan and Indians, thinking that the Chinese expansion plan will collapse, so that the Japanese and Indians do not make these antibiotic drugs. The Chinese will eventually receive billions of dollars by supplying coronary drugs worldwide in this place. So, we all know that China and the USA can never win a war with the military. That's why today's master plan in China. Since the United States cannot fight with troops or big countries like this, China is planning to rule the whole world, killing the big countries with the help of germs, destroying the economy. Dear viewers, send me your valuable arguments and comments about this information. If you like the video, click on like. After subscribing to our channel to get more such videos, click on the bell icon and click on all click. So I am going to leave this time. Thank you.